darlings, and welcome back here to my channel. And today, you probably see it from the video, we're hosting a baby shower. I literally have 30 minutes left, so I have decided to take it in front of the camera and get ready here because I'm gonna get ready anyways, so I might as well film it. At the moment I'm wearing my Djerf Avenue PJ together with a top, and I am 38 weeks pregnant, so we have left the baby shower for extremely late time, but I kind of have an idea of what I want to wear this time. So I have decided to go neutral. Surprise, surprise. This one is a dress from Nguyen. I don't know what the brand is, to be honest. This one was a present long time ago from my best friend. She was gonna use it while she was pregnant for her photo shoot. However, she didn't like the style, but it is very much me. So today I'm gonna get a chance to show off the 38-week bump, which is grown so much. So we've covered the dress. It is very comfortable, it is knitted, and there's no other option. I cannot put anything else on. At 38 weeks, it just needs to be as stretchy as possible and as comfortable as possible. The makeup is already done. I wanted something very natural, very easy to put on, and that is basically me. And now we're just going to jazz it up with a little bit of jewelry. And actually the jewelry brand that I'll be collaborating with, it couldn't have came in a better timing. Everything just arrived yesterday actually, and I have ordered a pair of earrings, which I'm gonna show you in a second, together with a necklace and this beautiful case where I'm going to be placing them. You probably know how much I love my cases, to have everything a little bit more organized, because I usually use my Monica Vinegar case, but I'll show you what a mess it is inside. So that's the one that I have from Monica Vinegar, and inside everything is a jungle. So now I ordered 2 more cases so I can be a little bit more organized, and they're very cute colors as well. So I'll be taking them along whenever I'm traveling. Even I'll add them to my hospital bag for my signing out, because we are gonna do photos once baby is born and we come home. Just gonna do a close-up of the case for you. It is very cute, rich brown color, and then the only branding is on the zipper where it says Linjer. It's minimal, it's definitely my style, and you should see the jewelry that I have picked as well. So you can see it says Linjer over here as well. And we have those beautiful dangling earrings. How adorable are these? I cannot wait to actually put them on just now, so let's give them a try. And that's how it is with earrings on. They're adorable and they are exactly what I needed to add to my collection. But I wanted a dropped pearl just like this together with the stones. I think it's the perfect classy look, a timeless one that's just gonna go with everything. And for a baby shower, I think it's perfect. They're adorable. Both of the pieces that I have ordered are gold vermeil, so they are sterling silver with a very thick layer of 22 karat gold. So they are pieces that are made to last, and I am pretty sure that they will. Beautiful, beautiful design. They actually have gold jewelry as well, with diamonds, plain gold as well, so you really need to check out their website because the designs are just timeless, they're classy, and I don't think you can go wrong with any of them. Also, if you do want to shop any of the Linjer pieces, you can use my code VickyV for a special offer. I'll link it down below as well, so you don't miss out on anything. So that's a very good opportunity to get familiarized with, well, at least for me, it's a new brand that I read quite a lot about, and I am happy with the outcome, especially today. So this is the necklace that I have chosen. It's again gold with aquamarine stone inside of it, which is my favorite, and I love blue so much. I am thinking I'll pair it together with my other necklace. This one is a gold piece. It was a present for my birthday from my co-workers. It has a little V on it, which I think is adorable, and I haven't taken it off in months now. And I'm not planning to take it off today either, so we are going to layer it with a Linjer necklace, which, by the way, it's adjustable. I always like when you have an option. So you have a few different lengths to go on to, 3 different to be exact. I think I'll do one of the shortest ones, so it sits a little bit above the V. I think this is adorable. They actually had very nice rings as well. However, well, my fingers got swollen a little bit from the pregnancy, and I even had to remove at the moment my engagement ring and my wedding ring, so I am definitely ringless, and I didn't want to risk it with getting any well, anything that is not going to fit me. But look at that. Look at the combination. Oh my god, that's adorable. Okay, that is going to be me. Please don't forget to use my code if you're shopping from the Linjer website, but it's adorable. There's matching pair of earrings to this necklace as well. But I just decided to go with the pearls because I think pearls are timeless. Everybody needs a set of pearls. Just like that, I am ready for the baby shower. That is going to be me. I just wanted to add a little bit of spiciness with the jewelry, and I think I have done it in the best way possible thanks to Linjer. Just to show you from further out, something very simple. It's actually a pretty hot day today. Very hot autumnal day, which is perfection. The bump is over here. We have the jewelry. And we're ready. So yes, that's going to be it from me, darlings. I hope you have enjoyed it. It was a very simple one, but you know I like my outfits to be more classy, more simple, nothing really out there. So I think, yes, that's going to be me. I'll go and enjoy the baby shower, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye!